So in this module, let's say your internal library is already in draft, and you try to approve it, it will point you to some things that are the same. Just follow the lead by continuing to edit it. Then you need to click on this blue pencil and then look at what is red color, click inside because they recently hidden this into a accordion. After that, then you see this is red color again. You got to click onto the content map, select the content map. So in this case, we have rectified 4, 5, and 6. So you need to choose one of it. And then, for example, it is for math confidence. Once you have done one of it, of course, it's recommended that you do for all the rest. But once you have done one of it, then you should have no problem trying to approve.